This project dates back to 2024. Worked with the national accounts team dating back all the way till I think the summer of 2024. So it's been going on for almost a year now.
I've been with the county 7 years now, and probably about 6 of that we've been planning this park with a fantastic design team. Craftsmen came in and first had a park design that was just very generic, and they asked us about beefing that up with a theme, a Texas theme, a Western theme. And when they came in and did that, and then the execution by SUNDEK has just been beautiful.
Originally came to us as a detailed CAD rendering. We took that CAD rendering and took it to a vendor to help us get customized templates made. The template process was a little bit of a challenge because we had to get something that was sturdy and strong enough to withstand our application. We spray a lot of our material applications, so we needed to have something that would withstand all of the masking, traffic, and heavy-duty spraying application through the process. We installed our Classic Texture system with a 2-color aggregate effect combination topped with an Echo Clear top coat, and we spray applied aluminum oxide into that top coat for added slip resistance.
The first run of the surfacing was what was asked for by the landscape architects and their artwork design. However, that did not match what the rubber surfacing for the playground had. And, you know, their colors were off. And then y'all came back and you know, worked with us, worked with craftsmen, worked with my landscape architects. And I know it was tough on y'all. I know that there were some issues with that, but you can't expect any more from a contractor than what y'all have done.
The biggest challenge of the recolor was to not get rid of the overall artwork and all of the individual art pieces on the splash pad. So in order to do that, there was quite a bit of masking and remasking that was involved. SUNDEK had to carefully mask all of the individual art pieces while recoding and recoloring a base aggregate effect, and then come back and individually paint sometimes a 2 different color combo, a 3 different color combo on individual art pieces. So it was very time consuming. It was very, very detailed in the masking that we had to do. Like I said, the wind blows through this park daily. So when you add in the wind and all of the detailed masking that we had to do, it definitely created a challenge.
Y'all have absolutely made everything right. The park looked wonderful before the resurfacing, before the recoloring, but now it's just to the moon.
When those challenges arise as a contractor, all you can do is step up to the plate and answer the call. And we felt like we did that with all of the contractors that were involved, the county. We stayed in communication. We worked through some rigorous sampling with some custom colors. That's difficult to do. And I think the end result speaks for itself.
I can't begin to describe it. It just speaks to the county's heritage and to the people. And I don't know how you do it, but you got this artwork perfect. Y'all have been a great subcontractor to work with. I can call you directly. We can get answers immediately. You're not afraid to communicate, and that is key in my position, to be able to communicate with people. It's been beautifully accepted by the community. It's a piece of artwork that you don't see just anywhere, and I'm just so proud to be a part of it.
You can't help but take a look at the finished product out here at McMullen County Splash Pad and recognize the hard work and great effort and skilled craftsmen that we have on our team at SUNDEK of San Antonio. So hat goes off to everybody that had a hand in this. Thank you guys.